Welcome to Spooky Saturday. For today's crafting adventure, we're going to get creepy on the crawly side. I'm going to take this lovely skeleton spider and turn it into a even creepier Halloween decor. If this is your first time passing over to the other side, hit that subscribe button so your casket stays filled with creepy crafts. Now, let's get started. First, I took a brown paint with a little hint of black mixed in, and I proceeded to paint the entire skeleton a brown hue. I made sure to make the joints of the legs darker. After painting the entire spider, I wanted it to still have that fuzzy fur that a tarantula has, but somewhat worn off. I took a black pipe cleaner and I cut off the fuzzy. This was harder than I thought it was going to be, as the pipe cleaner metal did not want to cooperate, and I did not want to ruin my scissors by accidentally cutting through the metal. It took some time. I wanted just some of the flesh to stick on the abdomen, and so I used some tissue paper and a little bit of Mod Podge, but I made sure to leave some holes where the skeleton ribs would show through. I used some Mod Podge on the spider to adhere this fur. Now these were clumped together and I wanted them to be more like tiny little hairs on a tarantula. So I used my fingers and rubbed the clumps together and rubbed it with my thumbnails to break the pieces apart. And some of the chunkier pieces that landed onto the spider, I rubbed into the Mod Podge so that it would break those chunks apart as well. I've done one coat of this hair adhesion and I let this dry. Then I'm coming back to do a second coat, especially focus on the areas that did not get as much hair the first time around. After this hair transplant is fully attached, I let this dry again. And now, let's see how this wonderful skeleton tarantula has come a little more undead to life. I hope you enjoyed this creepy, crawly, spooky Saturday. Make sure to check back next week for another eerie adventure in crafting.